At Modern Family Law Help for You Group, we ensure that you navigate the complexities of family law with confidence and clarity. Our team of seasoned professionals brings decades of experience, offering services that outshine traditional family lawyers in value and quality and are on a totally unique level compared to the traditional McKinsey firms currently on the circuit. Our team is dedicated to providing compassionate, thorough, and efficient service. Let us be your trusted partner in navigating the complex world of family law. At Modern Family Law Help for You Group, your family is our priority. In the world of family court, it's often believed that a lawyer is a necessity. But let me tell you, this is not always the case. In fact, lawyers can sometimes exacerbate the situation, keeping the conflict alive and thriving. Remember, the more complex and intense the conflict, the more the solicitors stand to earn. It's an unfortunate truth, but it's the reality of the legal industry. But there is a better way. By choosing Modern Family Law Help for You Group, you're not just choosing a service but a partner, guide. Our team consists of qualified paralegals committed to advising and guiding you through every step of the process. We're here to simplify the complex, to calm the storm, and, most importantly, to ensure your best interests are always at the forefront. With Modern Family Law Help for You Group, you're not just a case number, you're a valued client, and your peace of mind is our top priority.